Today we're working on the Can-Am HD11, installing the part number S8011 signature accent turn signal light that replaces the stock accent light that's on the front of the machine, makes it into a signal light as well as the accent light. You can see there's the new light that replaces the old one. Start with, you gain access by opening up the hood. Then there's some fasteners that you take out, Torx head fasteners, and some plastic push pins. And then also up underneath there's another plastic push pin that you pull out. You can see that, and you get that one out. Then you can get the top side pieces off. You can see the little snaps on there that kind of hold the side pieces, little clips that holds that in. So you pull that forward to release it. Then underneath that there's some more Torx head bolts that you take out. That gives you access from the side to get in to remove the rest of it. And you need to start by, you need to remove the headlight in order to get access into the accent light. So there's two bolts on the headlight that you remove, and then there's the clip on the top that is the headlight adjustment bolt that just snaps up out. Then you drop the headlight down from the bottom. It's out of the way. And then on the signature, on the headlight, there's some metal washers on both sides there that hold that in, so be careful not to lose them metal washers if they fall out. Then on the new light, you can see on where the three marking where the bolts are, to where you need to undo it, so you can see where they're at. And then there's three bolts you need to take out. There's two from back up underneath, and then one from up on top. That's a little bit hard to get to, but with the box end wrench you can get it out of there and remove it. So then that releases your stock accent light. You can pull it out. So now you're ready. The new light comes with an adapter harness that plugs into the signature light. The yellow one will go to the turn signal front harness, and the other side hooks to the OEM connector that's already there. Gives you your power for the running light and the ground. So you carefully insert your new light back into the spot. Fits right into that same spot, and then hook your three bolts up, and then hook the wiring adapter up. Plugs into the back of the light. The yellow one, you can see it plugs into your front turn signal. It has a left and a right. Tells you which side that it goes to. That's the signal light part of it. That is your plugs into the OEM harness. And then you'll route, once you get that done, all hooked up, and you route your front turn signal harness in, up under the dash, and then to the center, and then center of the dash, and hooks to your horn turn signal switch, 4-pin connector with the red marker, and it says the front turn signal and accent harness on the switch. You plug that 4-pin connector into there, and then test it before you bolt everything up. Make sure everything's all plugged in correctly, and test it and make sure it's all good, and then once it all works, you can go through and bolt up all the plastic pieces back on, and bolt everything back into place, the headlight back in and everything, and then put the hood back on, and you're ready to go.